Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey's daughter will show you how to make banana bread. All ingredients are at room temperature, and the riper the bananas, the better. Grease and line a 2-pound loaf tin. Then preheat the oven to the temperature shown. Now mash the bananas with a fork or a whisk until well mashed. Now let's prepare the batter. So add in the margarine, sugar and mashed bananas to a large mixing bowl and whisk. Now add in the eggs and the vanilla extract. Continue to whisk. Then sift in the self-raising flour and the baking powder. Now whisk. Add a little milk if the batter is too thick. Then continue to whisk until just combined. Remember, do not overmix. Then fold in the chopped chocolates into this mixture. And there, the batter is ready. Now pour the mixture into the prepared loaf tin and level the top. Then bake in a preheated oven for 1 hour or until done. Nothing beats the smell of fresh banana bread baking in the oven. Then remove from the oven when done. The loaf is done when a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow to cool slightly and then loosen the sides and transfer onto a wire rack to cool completely. Neatly cut into thick slices and transfer onto a serving tray. Then enjoy with a cup of your favorite evening tea. And there you have it, a moist, sweet, cake-like, quick banana bread. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy. And most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video. And subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet.